what you should be doing if you're afraid of wind and stuff, but at the end of the day, man, this is what I love to do. That is why I'm crazy enough to go out here and take these pictures. I think I was actually scared into liking storms. Gust. Alright, we gotta focus. Everybody over. I think I was, oh man. It's getting real dark up here. Yeah, so I was scared into liking storms because I went through Hurricane Bob. And that said, as a kid, we were like right on the beach, like a beach house right on the beach, like the worst possible place that you could be in a, I think it was a category 2 or 3 hurricane. That is where we were. Terrifying, and it can forever change me. But now as an adult, I'm like, that's amazing. Like right now, I'm not scared, I'm excited. But just seeing Mother Nature is just incredible. It's a break from the normal. Alright, man, it is like real super crazy out here. Forgot that over by the aquarium it floods in that one little corner. Then I hit it like full speed. Oh my god. Another Jeep behind me is probably like, you idiot, you know it floods there. Yeah, there's like standing water all over. The power looks to be out down here as well. Street lights, they're out. Man, the wind is pumping. Whoa, trying to get up this hill. Oh my god. The power has to be out. The street lights are out here as well. The lights are out here too. Man, there's Jeeps everywhere. Whoa. Whoa, oh my god. Wow. The Jeep is just rocking in this thing. Yeah. Alright, we're down at the Rudy Loop. What the heck is there? Really? There's like... Oh my god, it's just all buns. Yeah, we're about to walk around and take pictures of this. Oh. Hurricane Dorian right now. I'm using my lav mic along with GoPro and my Nikon. Look at that. This is nuts. Oh my god, this is probably the strongest wind I've seen since Hurricane or Tropical Storm Hermine. You can't even turn around the other way because the wind and the sand and the rain is just going to pelt you in your face. About maybe 5 or 10 minutes ago, there was the police. They put on a siren, I guess, letting people know stay off the beach is dangerous. Trying to keep this dry, but it's hard. Like the sand. Oh man, I gotta walk backwards. Whew. Oh god. Yo, the sand. Wow. This is just incredible right now. Look at the waves. Yo. This is is insane, and I've never seen the sand. The sand is blowing over there. I don't even know if you can hear me. Woo! Yo, this is a crazy wind. Oh my God. This is probably good. Maybe 50, 60 mile per hour gusts. They're sounding the alarm again. You can see behind me, I think the waves are around 13 feet. Probably can't even hear me. The sand feels like needles. There's a lot of people out here, but the police keep putting on an alarm or something. I don't know whose stuff that is, but I think maybe a homeless person. Woo! Ah, that sand. You can't even turn around because it's so bad. Yo, this is just the raw power of Mother Nature. Virginia Beach. I think there's a homeless person down there. Man, I don't know what he's doing. I guess when you're homeless, you just ride out the storm. I don't know. This is the bathroom, man. It's loud in here. You can hear it on the roof. All right. Gonna go back out. Man, my hands are sandy. Ooh. Oh man, we don't need another red Jeep out here. No more red Jeeps. Uh-oh. The red Jeep. We don't need any more of those. Whew.